What's up guys, welcome back to Livioutdoor. Today's video is a little bit different. No writing edit, no tutorial, I just want to talk to you for a minute, because this channel is about to change and I want you to know what's coming. Honestly, looking back at my older videos, the editing wasn't great and I know that. But that's just how it goes when you're starting out. You learn as you go, and lately I've been learning quite a lot. So what's actually changing? First, the editing. I'm putting way more time into it. Better cuts, better pacing, better sounds. Every video should feel like something worth your time. The content stays the same, the quality goes up. The main focus going forward is MTB. Riding edits, trail clips, different locations, that's the main core. But also service tutorials, how to maintain your bike, set up things, fix stuff on the trail, practice content for riders who actually want to understand their bike. Something else I want to explore, working with brands, product reviews, gear I actually ride with. If the right opportunity comes, I take it, but I always be upfront when something is sponsored, no hidden stuff ever. And look, I always give you my honest opinion. Always. If something is bad, I say it, even if a brand works with me. My opinion is not for sale. That's promised. So, that's what's coming. New riding edits, service tutorials, honest reviews. If you want to be a part of this, subscribe and hit the bell. And drop a comment and tell me what you want to see. Riding clips, tutorials, let me know. I read every single one. See you in the next one.